Here we have 2x plus 1 minus 3 is equals to 3 times 2x minus 3. So what we want to do is solve for x. First, let us multiply out. So 2 times x will give us 2x. 2 times 1 is plus 2. Then we are not multiplying 2 with negative 3 because the negative 3 is standing by itself. And that is equals to 3 times 2x, which is 6x. And then 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. So I can take 2 and subtract 3 from it. So we have 2x minus 1, and that is equals to 6x minus 9. So on the right hand side, we can't add 6x with 9 or subtract it because they are not like terms. Now what I would like to do is move all the terms of x to the left and all the constant values to the right. So if I move 6x over to the left, it will become negative 6x. And if I move the negative 1 to the right side, it will be plus 1. And now I have like terms on the left and like terms on the right. So I can add or subtract these together. So 2x minus 6x is negative 4x. And that is equals to negative 9 plus 1, which is negative 8. So in order to solve for x, I'll divide both sides by negative 4. So I'm dividing by the coefficient of x. So on the left, the negative 4's would cancel out. So I'm left with x, and that is equals to 8 divided by negative 4, which would be plus 2.